The mechanisms of the Maji and the sherbet are basically the same. But I made the Maji first, referencing the video by the pop-up channel. And the construction in the video was like this. The pull tab was double thickness, and the stand-up piece was sandwiched in between, like so. And put under the sheath. And as there is no guard here on this side, so it would, as I described, it would derail easily, like so. So for the sherbet, I modified it. The pull tab is still double thickness, but the stand-up piece, I divide the glue tab into two halves. And it's glued like this. And tuck under the sheath. Then it would move more properly. I hope you liked my sharing today. Look out for tutorials for other mechanisms. Thanks for watching. Bye.